Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to make a blue search comment inside TikTok. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and open up TikTok and I'm just going to watch this random video a little bit, and then from here click onto the comments, and then if you scroll down you'll notice there's a blue clickable search comment here, and then there's another one here, Kodak Ocean Explained, Kodak Fish. So to make these blue search comments you need to reply to that video using relevant keywords about that video. So if you want examples of this, just find that video and look at the blue clickable search comments and then write a comment similar to that using those same keywords, and then wait a few moments, could be up to 5-10 minutes, and then your comment will be turned blue. So yeah, that's it guys for this video. Thanks for watching to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it helpful.